If you want a clean, open kitchen without a bulky hood stealing the spotlight, best downdrafts might be the solution you haven't considered. In this video, we'll break down how they work, where they shine, and who they're actually right for. If you've never heard of Best, they have been designing and building ventilation projects for generations. They have everything from under cabinet, pro style, island, chimney, downdrafts, and more that all come equipped with some great technology on board. If you're unfamiliar, a downdraft ventilation system rises discreetly from behind or beside the cooking surface, capturing smoke, steam, and grease by pulling it down towards the source. When cooking is finished, it simply retracts completely out of sight, preserving clean lines and an uncluttered kitchen design. One of the standout features from the Best Downdraft is its Vertex Capture Technology. It's an engineered airflow system that directs steam, smoke, and grease straight into the vent right from the cooking surface. You can clearly see with the shadow graph imaging the power and efficiency at work. When properly paired and installed, and it being 18 inches tall, it can achieve up to 100% capture for the most efficient ventilation. The Best Downdraft has a 4-speed glass touch control that is very easy to clean and also includes a convenient 10-minute time delay shut-off feature and filter maintenance reminder that pops up with a light, so that way your kitchen stays fresh and clean. Having their heat Sentry technology is great because the appliance detects any excessive heat and adjusts the blower speed to high automatically to prolong product life by reducing damaging effects of high temperatures. Noise is a common concern with ventilation, which is why Best focused on reducing sound without sacrificing performance. The IQ blower system uses advanced technology to deliver up to 2 times quieter operation, which is up to 35% quieter than any other downdraft system, all while moving serious air. This downdraft is part of a modular system, meaning you can choose either an internal or an external blower, depending on your kitchen layout. Both will be sold separately. The internal PF6 blower delivers up to 650 CFMs of ventilation power, all while staying extremely quiet, operating at just 0.8 zones at normal speeds. If you have any questions, please be sure to leave a comment below. Best downdrafts are extremely versatile. Put it behind a cooktop, or maybe you'd like to put a built-in wall oven underneath, you can do that as well. Or you can install it behind a freestanding range. Best was the first downdraft company to do that, or install it behind a range top with ease. If we stop, open the cabinet doors and take a look and see what's going on under the downdraft, there's a lot. The Flex blower is one of the most versatile blower systems on the market, and it allows for variation installation options. If you don't want it underneath, what you can simply do is move it to the left side, creating free cabinet space directly underneath. Or if you don't want it on the left side, you can simply move it to the right. And if you want to learn more about this, please leave a comment below. Best is committed to ensuring satisfaction with your new downdraft and offers a 5-year limited warranty. To help keep things in proper working order, Best is offering a 5-year parts and 2-year limited labor warranty. Some people may be wondering when a downdraft may not be the best fit. For example, high BTU gas cooking. Intense heat and a tall flame can push smoke upward faster than a downdraft can pull it down. Or wok or heavy searing use. These cooking styles create large, fast-rising plumes that are better captured by an overhead hood. Space requirements. Downdrafts need room below the cabinet for ducting and blower components, which can limit storage or complicate installations. Performance expectations. For frequent high-output cooking, a wall or island hood typically provides stronger overall capture area. Downdrafts aren't about replacing traditional hoods. They're about choosing the right solution for the right kitchen and for the right lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our YouTube channel for honest appliance insights, real-world design advice, and smarter kitchen decisions.